Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to activate your Chase debit card. You can activate your Chase Bank's debit card by visiting any Chase ATM and inserting your card, follow through the on-screen prompts, and you will be able to activate your debit card through ATM. You can also call the Chase's customer service number, which will be usually located on the back of your debit card. Follow through the automated prompts or speak with a representative to activate your card, and you can do it with the help of a phone call as well. In order to activate it online using the online banking account, simply go ahead and open up a web browser first. In the URL box at the top, type in chase.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Now, you can start activating your new debit card. But before that, you will need to sign into your Chase account. Enter your username in the first text box and then enter your password on the next field. If you have trouble remembering the password or your username, click on Forgot Username/Password and follow through the on-screen prompts to get help. After entering your credential, click on Sign In, and once you are logged into your account, follow through the on-screen instruction provided and you will be able to activate your debit card. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.